This is really pretty, right? Really pretty. I have the coily ends, I have the curls, but I'm looking at this. How come mine don't define like that? It's a little bit more frizzy, right? Is the question all the girlies ask when they get their wigs for the first time out the box. But today's video, I'm gonna give you all the tea on how to get those frizz-free curls that all the online girlies have. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Slaymas episode 2. Before I get to talking, let's talk about this hair because this is the before. I wanted you guys to see what this wig looked like straight out the box. Today we're going to completely see if we can get those defined frizz-free after washing, just like all the other girlies get. So the knots on this are invisible, but they can be bleached. I am going to do an updated 2025 how to bleach the knot tutorial in my members community. If you want those customization tips, join my Precious Squad members access where you get exclusive videos. I'm taking everyone's comment that's asking me to do anything, putting it into that community. If you want to support it, you'll get all the tips that you want, all the questions answered, all that good stuff. Now to my girlies that always want highlights, it comes with highlight. It comes with highlight. It comes with highlight. Ombre brown at the bottom. Lots of body, lots of volume, really pretty. Let's get into the details of today's wig. And I have my coffee back, by the way. Super good. Isn't this cup really cute? Match my background. So today's wig is the Chestnut Brown curly finger coil. It does have the bye-bye knot, is a 24-inch in a 7x5 closure. So you have the drawstring for a glueless wear. I will put all the links and everything, discounts in the description box. So if you would like to check out this style, be sure to check below. Also, every product will be linked below. So I'm just gonna slide this wig on like this. In Slaymas, we are just gonna focus on the hair. A lot of you always have questions about frizz. So we're gonna address that in today's video. First thing I would do for the install, which I'm not going to install it completely right now because I have a lot I want to go over. We'll use the band that's in there as we do all the time with the drawstring wigs. It's just so simple. You just pull the string to tighten it. So this one out the box looks like this. It has the finger coils at the bottom. And every single time I see the girls do this style, after they wet it, they always get the coily coils at the bottom again. Me, I haven't had any luck with that. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. We're going to figure out how to get those beautiful coils back after you wash the hair and also defrizz it. So all my Precious Squad members, the video is now available for the shampoo and conditioning. I also give a mini review of this hair and how it performed after being washed. So you can find that in the members videos. So we are back from the shampoo bowl. It will be in the Precious Squad members tab, posting consistently a lot of tips there. So we're back. The hair is super soft. You saw that method. It really works very, very well to soften the hair afterwards. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and define the curls. I like to do this on soaking wet hair. I'm actually just going to separate the hair in 4 sections, just pulling it apart. There's no tangles happening right now. Once you do the steps that I show when washing the hair, I want you to follow that each week with just the conditioner because it's going to be very beneficial to a wig like this, especially when it has color. You can see for yourself after washing the hair, the coils are not there. First product we are taking is the Cantu. And I'm going to apply that. When I wash the hair, those products are very important to these steps too, to tame that frizz in that first wash. That way, throughout the week, you don't have to worry about the hair frizzing up. This is the Curl Define Cream by Nexus, a climate control. It adds to keeping the hair from frizzing. And every product that I use, I've been using for a very long time, so I know it works on the texture. I want to make sure I get it into every strand of the hair. Next, you want to get this brush here. And we're going to start at the ends. Make sure the hair is well conditioned before you do this, okay? And tangle free. Just going to rake this product through. And I'm going to repeat the same process throughout the entire hair. Right, so I think some of the girlies take the hair at the ends and they kind of just coil it like this. But that don't tend to work for me. So let's go back with this brush, the ends, and this works. As you can see that spiral, how it created. So I'm just gonna brush down the hair and you can see how it coils. And you don't have to do this piece by piece unless you just really want to be that detailed. Just go through the ends. And don't worry about the white residue, it will go away as the hair dry. All right, so I'm gonna completely dry the hair and I will be back. Okay, so we are completely dry and this is what the hair look like. Look how beautiful and frizz free curls are. The method works, y'all. Follow it step by step. I promise you, you're gonna get the best results. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and install, we're still glueless, a bit of this foundation. And you are absolutely right for the person who said the cream foundation works good. Yes, it does. Works very, very well compared to the powders because it really gets in those knots and grids. Now the hair is fully clean, so the texture is just really pretty right now. A little bit just around the fronts. Updated bleach tutorial because I have a different method. The products I used in my older video is no longer sold anymore, so I had to really find something that was better. All right, this is so pretty. I like the color. I like the way the hair looks. Now, as you can see, the coils, we didn't get those back after the wash. So yeah, as you can see, no frizz, nice and shiny, tangle free, just the perfect routine. The only way your wig gets frizz is if it's dry. Dry hair will always frizz out. So if your hair is hydrated really good, you will not see an inch of frizz, just like you don't see none right now. As soon as you start to see the frizz, make sure you follow the step-by-step routine I gave in today's video, the entire wash routine, and that will be super helpful to maintaining your curly styles. Another thing you want to do is just make sure you're not using the wrong products. We talked about this last month. And also you want to make sure you're detangling the hair properly so you won't be pulling out too much hair, shedding. That's why I always recommend certain tools and products because I know they work. They have worked for me and I've been doing this for a very long time. But yeah, this is the result of hydrated curls. When your curls look like this, they are hydrated and frizz free. I will be sure to put this wig below in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check down there. I will have all the products, the links, and be sure you are subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you back in my next video.
Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks, and also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.